Hello everyone, it's Dr. Lim. This video is for malignant melanoma. Let's start with the questions today. I will give you 50 seconds to answer these questions. Alright. For rationals, if you're preparing for NPTE, you might know, I am sure you might know the signs of melanoma. You might memorize all these things, the 5 things, A, B, C, D, E, right? Everyone knows, because it's so simple, but things are sometimes sometimes for real tests, the situations are so different. If you know this, but if you know just A and B and C and D and E, if you just memorize simple things, you might have some problems when you solve these questions for real. So I want you to memorize. I want you to understand the things, especially the diameters. So let me see. The A is asymmetry, right? Yeah, asymmetry. If you face with those topics questions, you should write it down. A, B, C, and D and E, right? On the paper, all right. On the paper, you should write it down. A, B, C, D, E, and then if the question is easy and simple, you might just can check and skip it, right? But if you think the question is quite complicated and quite so hard when you failed, you should check the first and then write it down, A, B, C, D, E, right? And then think about yourself. What is A and B and C and D and E, all right? So A is asymmetric, right? Uneven edges and lopsided. B, borders. What borders? Yeah, irregulars, poorly defined edges and notching. C, colors, variety, colors, variations, especially mixtures of black and blue or red. D is important. What I want you to know is only D, the diameter, larger than 6 millimeter. 6. You should remember that might be the key point when you're faced with the questions, alright? So larger than 6 millimeter, that could be important. And elevations, yeah, usually elevated, but sometimes maybe flat. Most that changes over time, right? 6 months is before here, but evolving, that's larger, alright? So the questions here, most dangerous clinical examination. The answer could be D, larger than 6 millimeters. I want you to know 2 millimeter or 6 millimeter. That could be sometimes so tiny things. So we might don't remember and we might don't memorize it at all. But I want you to you should memorize 6. All right, 6 millimeters. Yes. Thank you for watching this video today. Thank you.